onto that tree, coming down. Above the hammock. This one is coming down. Go above the hammock high on that one. Swing off after you cut it off. Say that. Ready? Ready? Fire back. You guys ready? Yeah. We're ready. You don't want to hurt you, but you don't want to hurt us. Right? Well, I want to put myself in a position that I can't hurt myself. Put yourself in. You guys are ones who are talking about me. Drop down. Yeah, you guys both use the sharp part, not the blunt. I don't know what these guys do. Yeah, they're going to chop you down. You know, they do it pretty good for fun. It's going to happen. Yeah. Everyone wants to have a chance to try. Straight to the there we are. Oh, symbolic. Well, you guys are incredible woodsmen. Well, you know, we haven't had a whole lot of practice. Well, I'll tell you what, once you stop and I mean, come tomorrow and I'll be down there tied to the tree and you practice on me. Oh, no, that's too much. You want to get your accident. What? You want to get it done? Come down here and down. No, I plan on staying the night up in the tree. So this thing, maybe I can take you on one at a time. Yeah, there you are. Well, hey, now hang on a sec. Let's drop that baby down, then you're really going to have to solve. Well, looks like the chocolate boat tree's down. Looks like I may end up in the hospital after all. Well, folks, I think I'll maybe time for you to come down, huh? You can stop shopping there for a bit and let you give me something to come down with. It's gonna take a while because I don't have a rope long enough to get down.
Fine. Down. Sure, you're pretty good, but what?
Hey, car, this is really new. They're starting to drop oak trees, so I'm heading down.
Yeah, you had your mic on the whole time.
Hear anything?
Everything.
That's great. Boy, oh boy, is BCFP ever a fun crew at guys.
Paul, are you still listening?
Yeah, I'm still listening. They're holding off to give me a chance to climb down.
Take your time. Steve will be there any minute.
Oh, well, who knows, eh? May already be here. Hang on. What's the matter? I'm not procrastinating here.
I just hold on there and give me a chance to get down there.
Yeah. Okay, hang on a second.
You know how to shit for a flight once.
How to shinny? No, that's too scary. I want to come down the way I came up. Be patient. Don't you have any beers to drink while you're waiting?
No, we're not done yet. Never while we're waiting. Wouldn't mind a cold, no?
How far is the trophy should cut?
Oh, not very far.
That's good. Yeah, it does. Is this hemlock?
Now we go.
Sherry and all clear.